Welcome back to part 4 of building a student management system in C++. Our student manager can now add students, display student, search by student by ID. But what if I need to modify a student's information or delete the student from our system entirely? Let's fix that. Today we're adding ability to update and delete our students. First is updating student information. If you recall from part 1, our student class has private name, ID and GPA variable. This means that our student manager class cannot directly change their values. To fix this is inside the student class, we're going to add some function known as a setters. A setter, a function, a public function that allow us to change the value of private data. Set name allow us to set the student name, and set GPA allow us to set the student GPA. Our student manager can now search for a student by ID, locate the correct student object inside our vector, and call this setter function is update a student's information. Next, we want to be able to delete students. We know that pushback can add a student object to our vector. How can we take this one away? To delete an object from vector, we can use the erase function. We'll loop through our vector, find a student with the correct ID, and once we get a match, we'll use the erase to delete a student object from our vector. Let's test everything out. I'm going to add a few students to our system. Oh, look at that, we add 3 students. Let's say one our student get a new GPA. Now I can click update student, enter the ID and fill out their new information. Alright, let's display our students. If we scroll down, we can see that our original student object will update with this new information. Now let's delete of the student. We enter the ID, find the object with the ID, delete the object from our vector, and the student no longer show up with the display students. Our student management system can now create, read, update, and delete the student data. These operations are commonly referred to in CRUD: create, read, update, and delete. A CRUD operation are some of the most common operations that you will find in the real software applications. But right now, our application has a giant problem. The second we exit the program, every student we create is gone forever. In part 5, we'll finally be able to fix this issue by writing our student data to a file. Then when our program starts back up, we can load that data and recover student information. Thanks for joining me for part 4. I'm building system for students in C++. As I continue my journey in this programming series, happy coding.